That $5 purchase doesn't matter. That's what you tell yourself. It's just a coffee, just a subscription, just a small thing. But small things add up, and no one shows you the math. $5 doesn't feel like anything. It's pocket change. You don't even think about it. But $5 a day is $35 a week. That's $150 a month. That's $1,800 a year. Still doesn't sound like much. Let's keep going. Over 10 years, that $5 a day becomes $18,000. And if you invested it instead, with compound interest, you're looking at $25,000 or more. All from a decision that felt like nothing. Here's the thing. This works both ways. Small decisions compound against you when you spend without thinking, but they compound for you when you're intentional. That $5 a day going into savings instead of a coffee? Same math. 18,000 inches, 10 years. The only difference is direction. The problem is you can't see it. Every small decision feels isolated. You can't visualize what it does to your future. The Finance Reset Toolkit solves this. It includes a dynamic scenario planner that lets you simulate small changes before you make them. Cut a subscription, see what happens. Add a side hustle, see what happens. Skip the daily coffee. Watch your savings goal move closer in real time. You're not guessing anymore. You're deciding with full visibility. That's how small decisions start working for you instead of against you, not by depriving yourself, by understanding the trade-offs. The Finance Reset Toolkit includes a complete budget tracker, debt payoff planner, savings goal tracker, and an interactive web app that simulates your financial future. Stop guessing, start simulating. Tap the link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit today. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.